This time, let me show you how you can use Microsoft Excel on the iPhone. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the first step is to open up the App Store and look for the app right there. So you can type the word in and you should be able to find the latest version of the app. This is what it currently looks like, and for me, there is even an update available, so I'm gonna make sure I'm running the latest version of the app. This is what you should generally do as well. Okay, so as you can see, it is officially made by Microsoft, because outside of the official app, there are plenty of other like spreadsheet editors which you can get for your phone. I'm gonna touch on that later on in this video, but you just want to make sure you have the official app, which is of course freely available. It's available for free, but without a paid subscription, you cannot do much. If you don't want to pay a monthly fee for the Microsoft services, you can only use the app to read files only, right? So nothing else. You will not be able to edit the spreadsheet. You will not be able to create a new one. You will only be able to read and open the existing files. But as long as you have it available or you have the subscription ready, like I do, you can see inside of the app in the top left corner, I'm signed in with my account and I have an active subscription right there. So if you are like this, if you are in the same situation, the way that you are using the app is like this. At the bottom, you have the section for home, which shows you the recent files, right? And some things, some spreadsheets you have been working on previously, so you can quickly jump back to whichever file you had before, right? You can also go to the favorites, right? Because you always have the ability to choose any of your files to be your favorites for even quicker access. And if you collaborate with other people on the same file, it's going to be shown in the shared folder. But if you don't have any spreadsheet which you worked on before, you can move over from the home to the create section right there. And this gives you the ability to start a brand new file from scratch. And it is up to you to decide if you use a template or if you start completely with a blank white page. Because if you click on the plus button like so, you can see we have a new file, but it's completely empty, right? So there is literally no structure to it. You have to start from scratch, and you can just start using the features, everything that is available in here. But to quickly come back, you can as well try to use some sort of template right there. You can even switch between some types of the template. So if you are looking for something specific like a schedule or household type of spreadsheet or budget, right? That's very popular. You can see templates for that particular purpose. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, and now we have a prepared template. All I have to do is just to change the numbers for myself, perhaps customize it a bit further, but I'm not starting from a blank slate. So that's what a lot of people prefer as well. But if you are inside the spreadsheet file, you are essentially using it as on the computer, right? So you can tap on one of the cells, right? Click on the button below, and in here you can type the text in. So I can type it, hey, and then continue to the other one, right? I can choose this to be some kind of like table, which I give the columns and the numbers and everything, right? So it is up to you to decide what you want to do with it, but that's how you can use it. And of course, all of the features are part of that too. Like you can most definitely select multiple different cells and, for example, turn it into a chart. That's a lot of people's favorite feature. So you can literally click on the charts right there and insert a line chart, or plenty of different types, right? There are so many features which are built into the app that it would literally take like a full course, right, for me to explain that. So if you have something very specific which you are wondering about, please let me know about it below in the comments. It's very likely I'm gonna make an updated video about that, but for now that's gonna be about it, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.